Hi everybody, this is Kim Opolinski with the Vega team at Royal LePage Norelta. I am here at 3513 25th Street. This is a 1,520 square foot house, 3 bedrooms, double attached garage. We are asking $367,900. It was built in 2003. Let's go see the house. Okay, let's go up into the entry. Okay, you come right into the living room. Nice fireplace in the corner there. Here's the eating nook. Here's your outside. It has a 2-tiered deck. Storage shed. Nice side yard. You can see that they have a trampoline there. Size, I mean. Here we go. There's your kitchen. It's got a nice pantry. Double sinks. There's the entry to the garage and a half bath there. Downstairs is not finished, but they are using it as living space right now. So here we go. And I will say, Merry Christmas. Ta-da! Okay, so here's your furnace and storage space. There's your the hookup for a bathroom if you want to make a bathroom down here. They got a couch and a TV. Upstairs is 3 bedrooms with a full ensuite tub shower combo and an extra 2 bedrooms, as I said. Let's go take a look. This house was built in 2003. The owners have taken very good care of it. To the left here, you'll find the first of the 2 extra bedrooms. They're using it as a study and a music room. There's the full bathroom. Here's the second of the 3 bedrooms. And then here's the master. You have a walk-in closet. And like I said, a full bath. So if you'd like any more information on this home, you can reach me at 780-566-7974. It's Kim Opolinski, the Vega team, Royal LePage Norelta. And this house is listed at $367,900. Hope to hear from you. Have a great day.